Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the e-learning classes of the Moil Public School. Subject Agriculture. Our today's topic is production and management of pomegranate plant. Punica granatum L is the botanical name of pomegranate. Belongs to family Punicaceae and genus Punica with basic chromosome number X equal to 12. Pomegranate is a juicy fruit which can be processed into different beverages with the addition of sugar and preservatives. Sun-dried grains from cultivators having high acidity is known as anardana are used for garnishing curries and for culinary purposes. It is a delicious table fruit rich in B-complex vitamins and minerals like calcium, phosphorus and iron. In India, it is cultivated in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Soil and climate requirements. Although pomegranate is not specific to soil requirements, but fluctuations in atmosphere humidity cause fruit cracking. Commercial cultivators. The popular cultivators of pomegranate are Ganesh and Muscat in Maharashtra, Basin seedless in Karnataka, Dholka in Gujarat, Kabul Red and Velodu in Tamil Nadu, and Kanderai, Jalore seedless and Jodhpur Red in Rajasthan. Some promising clonal selections like Arkata, Bhagwa, Sinduri, or hybrids like Miridul and Ruby are also becoming popular. Propagation. Pomegranate is commercially propagated through semi-hard and hardwood cutting treatment with 1000 ppm IBA as basal dip. Planting. Pomegranate is planted at 5 into 5 meter spacing, width of 60 into 60 into 60 centimeter size are dug about 1 month before planting and filled with topsoil. Pond silts and FYM mixture in 1:1:1 proportion, adding 50 gram methyl parathion to protect them from termites. Rainy season is the best time of planting. Water management. Although pomegranate is a dwarf-hardly fruit plant, but to obtain good yield and fruit quality, assured irrigation is essential. Water requirement of pomegranate largely depends upon the desired bahar. For Ambe Bahar, 13 irrigations are considered enough for good growth and yield. If for Mir Bahar, 9 irrigations are found to be sufficient. In Ambe Bahar, group of Ganesh irregular irrigation from March to July at 7 to 10 days interval increased the fruit yield. Nutrient management. In normal soil, yearly dose of 10 kg FIM along with 125 gram nitrogen, 50 gram phosphorus and 50 gram potash should be applied per plant up to 5 years of age. Training and pruning. Multiple stem training is allowed to avoid shoot borer damage. Pomegranate bears fruit on terminal and axillary shoot spurs arising from the mature shoots and thus does not require regular annual pruning. However, water spot disease and pest effect or dried branches should be removed. Crop regulation. Pomegranate has three main flowering and fruiting seasons or bahars such as Ambe Bahar, Mrig Bahar and Hast Bahar. For commercial production only one crop in a year is desirable. Therefore, by crop regulation, the tree is forced to rest by different ways and then it produces profuse blossoms and fruit during the required bahar. Selection of the bahar depends mainly on the availability of irrigation water, risk of damage by disease and pest, and market factors. In dry area of northwestern India with limited irrigation resources, Mrig Bahar is preferred to utilize the water available during the monsoon period. In irrigation or irrigated parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat, respectively, Ambe Bahar and Hast Bahar is preferred since the fruit yield, quality and profitability from other Bahars are impaired by the incidence of insect pests and disease and market factors. The operations thus maximize production for the available inputs and also avoids fruiting during the period when insect pests and disease infestations are common. For this, operations like withhold irrigation, root exposures, root pruning, and spray of chemicals are practiced to induce leaf drops and cessations of growth during the period of unwanted bahar. This is followed by application of normal irrigation, fertilizers and tillage operations 1 month prior to the desired bahar to induce new growth, flowering and fruiting. In order to increase proportions of good size, great food, number of fruits on the tree is regulated to retain 50 to 60 fruits on one bush by hand removal or by chemical floral thinning by spray of 2000 ppm ethofone or 500 to 3000 ppm alhar. Plant protection. To protect from different insects, we have particularly some control measures like pomegranate butterfly damage. Caterpillar enters the development fruit during July and feed on the seed resulting in rooting and premature drops of fruit. The holes made by caterpillar can be seen on the fruit. Control measures for pomegranate butterflies are bagging of fruits with butter paper, 2 sprays, 1 with each 0.002% deltamethrin and 0.2% carbaryl at 21 days interval in rotation after fruit sets. Next one is bark eating caterpillar. Control measures for bark eating caterpillar are training of bushes and keep only 3 to 4 stems. Spray dichlorose at 0.08% or fenvalerate at 0.04% or carbaryl at 1% or quinalofos at 0.08%. Disease management. Diseases like fungal leaf and fruit spot, bacterial leaf and fruit spot are seen on pomegranate plant. Symptoms of fungal leaf and fruit spots are development of brown spots on leaves which not only affect leaf vitality and numbers but also affect fruit growth and spoils their appearance and market values. Control measures for fungal leaf spots and fruits are 4 sprays of copper oxychloride or thiophenate methyl or mancobase or zineb at an interval of 150 to 20 days starting from the initiations of disease have been highly effective. Next one is bacterial leaf and fruit spots. Symptoms occurs in more humid areas. Affected fruits become unmarketable. Control measures for bacterial leaf and fruit spots are 3 spray with 500 ppm pozoximines plus 0.2% copper oxochloride at 15 days interval starting from the initiation of the disease significantly reduced the incidence. Fruit cracking and its control. Fruit cracking is a major problem in pomegranate, which can be reduced to some extent by maintaining optimum moisture levels in soil by frequent irrigation, spraying PGRs like NAA or 2,4-D or GA3, or by the application of borax at 0.04%. Maturity, harvesting and yield. Fruit generally matures in 6 to 8 months after fruit set, being non-climatic. Tree-ripened fruits are harvested, change in green color from light green to yellowish pink or red with waxy shining surface and a cracking sound of grains on pressing the fruit indicate fruit maturity. Ripe fruits are individually picked. A full-grown pomegranate bush normally produces 40 to 50 fruits; however, as high as 100 fruits per bush can be obtained under good management. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment.